Michael, we're hearing that this victim, Kyle Hill, beat up his grandmother. I mean, even if a judge allows this to go through to a trial, do you think a jury would convict this woman of what happened in 2018?
If the evidence is submitted as we've heard today, and if it's allowed to be submitted to a jury, I can't see how there isn't reasonable doubt on this. Again, this is assuming that the court allows all this evidence to come in. But when we were in law school, professors would give us exams, and they would craft these elaborate fact patterns, and it would always be right down the middle in order to see how creative you were as an attorney, as a student, to analyze the fact patterns. They would never give you fact patterns like this, right? Because this fact pattern is very one-sided in favor of, this is self-defense. So, but the prosecution is poking some nice holes in it. She never called the police, she called her friend. But to answer your question, yes, if the evidence that we've heard today is allowed to be submitted, I don't see how a jury is not going to acquit her on self-defense. It does seem very unlikely to me.